My name is Roger Kraus. I'm the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning teacher at the Carrier Center in Angola, New York. When the juniors come in, I focus on the certifications. Their first year, they're still doing hands-on, but they're going to get their EPA 608, which is their license to handle refrigerants, as it's a controlled substance. And they get their OSHA 10 certifications, and then I offer some other enrichment. After that, they're going to be learning basic electricity. They're going to be learning the refrigeration process and all the chemistry behind that, and what's happening inside of that, as well as beyond the basic electricity, they'll start getting into the wiring of 120 volt circuits and lighting circuits and higher voltage stuff as well. When they move into the senior year is when they're going to get into troubleshooting of equipment, into the heating aspect of it. So the junior year is focused a lot on cooling and refrigeration as well as electrical, where the senior year is more focused on service, heating, electrical heating, gas heating, oil heating, as well as the service associated with the heating appliances, as well as the service associated with refrigeration system stuff as well. Once we get the internships up and running, we get those out for 3 to 4 weeks, working for different heating companies or contracting companies. Hopefully right out to employment if that's what they want, or off to college, and if that's the path they're going to. In Western New York, we have a lot of heating companies, so I've had students go off, a lot of students go residential heating contractors to work for local companies, but I've also had students go off to become electricians because they learn enough. They've gone to work for commercial companies, they've gone to union companies. Some students are making 15 to 18 an hour, but I also have students making 20 to 25 an hour right out of high school. So it really just depends on what pathway they choose to go when they get out. There's so many different opportunities because you can go to college into mechanical engineering, you can go to the military. There's so many different things that they're doing in the military that use anything associated with plumbing, electrical, heating and air conditioning. This is an industry that is really trying to attract qualified individuals, and they're doing that with pay. The average service installers will make anywhere from $35,000 to $50,000 a year. Service technicians are in the $70,000 to $80,000 a year, and if you're good, you're making over $100,000 a year. I was making over $100,000 a year in my early 20s.